Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to apply the same symbology or the same style to different layers in QGIS. So I'm showing here a use case. So when you are presenting or showing a single variable, in this case the nighttime light for different time period and at different locations, you would want to use the same range of values. In this case, the minimum is 0 and the maximum value is 20 for all the layers that you see on this map, and the same color to present them so that you can make an objective comparison between them. So how do you do it in QGIS? In a very fast way, that we create a single symbology or style, then we apply it to all the layers at once. So I've added the nighttime raster layer for two of those cities just to make an example of how to do it. So the first one is Maiduguri in Nigeria, and the second one is Kano, also in Nigeria. So for the first city, so it has 5 different nighttime layers for different years from year 2000 to year 2020. So and you can check the range of nighttime values. So for example, in 2000, the values are from 21.8 to 0. In 2005, so the value is different, and it will be different again in 2010. So you want to maintain the same range of values to show them as well as the same color. So let's start from the first one. So we want to change the symbology of the first layer. So to change the symbology in QGIS, so you can just right click and go to properties. Currently, so this image has one band, like band 1. So and the range of value, as you can see here, is from 0 to 21.8. So 0 means like all these black pixels, so area with low or no nighttime light, while the maximum are the area that are showing in white color, so single band gray color from black to white. So black represent the minimum, while white represent the maximum values or maximum pixels. So remember, you want to change two things: the range of values as well as the color to match this case study. They use 0 to 20. So the first thing I will do is to change the maximum color to 20. I will apply. So although it doesn't really change because the maximum value initially was 21, but you're going to see the changes in the subsequent ones. So the next thing is to change the color from white to an orange color. So I check this colorized box, then I'll change the color here by clicking on this drop down icon. So I will select the color, then I will apply. So you can see the changes already. So I'm okay with the color and the range of values. It has also changed in the symbology here. So then I'll click on OK. So now I want to apply the same symbology or style from this layer to the remaining layers. So one way to do it is just to copy the symbology from this particular layer and paste it one after the other to the remaining layers. So let me show that. Right click, style, copy style. Then I want to paste it to this particular layer. So you can watch out, like the current range of value is from 24, is from 0 to 24. So when I right click on it, I go to style, then I paste the style that I copied from the first layer. So you see that its value changed, and as well the color has changed. So you can repeat this for the layers one after the other, but just imagine that you have up to 50 layers. So that would be very boring and time consuming to be pasting the layer one after the other. So what you can do is just to group the layers together, then you apply or you paste the symbology or the style in group just once. So I can group my degree to one group. So you select all the layers with my degree. So you can do that if you are using Windows PC. So you select the first one, you hold on Shift button on your keyboard, then you click on the last one. So there's a small icon, second icon here, add group. So click on it. So you give it a name that you want. So currently, we only apply the style or the symbology to two layers. So we haven't in my degree. So we haven't applied it to the remaining three layers. You can see. So instead of pasting the style on the single layers, I'll just paste on the group. So I'll right click on the group and I'll paste style. So it will apply the style to all the layers inside this group. So the same approach, I will zoom to the second study area. So it has this different range of values for the nighttime lights. So what I will do is to repeat the same process. So I will group them. So I will select all of them. I'll go to the second icon here, add group, give it a name, Kano. Then I can just paste. I'll right click on the group, then I'll paste the style. So then you have it. So this is how to apply the same style or symbology to multiple layers in QGIS. So all the layers now have the same style. Yeah, thank you for watching.